I'm back with my abandoned Ford Focus, but the problems are just beginning. Today we fix some cracked fuel lines, test the alternator, check all the front suspension, and do some rust prevention. Now, let's see if we can fix more issues. Yeah, so only got about 2 days, a week or every 2 weeks to fix some of the issues. And this garage is 5 hours away from where I live. I have another project going on outside, so in 2 days I have to fix a lot. Yeah, so we still got pressure. Okay, let's take these pipes out. So these are C's here. So the alternator doesn't seem corroded, but we do have or had a coolant leak over here, and one maybe at the bottom. Now let's check the fuel pipes. Okay, I want to replace this one. This is obviously cracked. Okay. There's this pipe. Should stay like this. This one should be here. Okay, so the third one should be from here to here. Just like this. Yeah, so this was supposed to be like something like that. Yeah, so this is better. Now we need to measure the alternator. Again, positive and negative. You see it here. So the battery is 12.7, yeah. Okay, we'll have to start the car and measure the alternator. Apparently the alternator fixed itself. I don't know how, but it did. And install everything back. I have a missing bolt here. If you watched episode 1, you remember we found a rusty old bolt. It's good now. Oh, that's very dusty. Oh, I wish I had an impact gun. Yeah, some corrosion, but the discs have no lip. And look at the pads. They were new. Little bit of corrosion here and there. But over here there's a massive noise coming from. Oh my god, the oil filter. Look at that, so corroded. The accessories belt will need to be replaced. A lot of work to do here. Yeah, so this is where the noise is coming from. The discs have no lip whatsoever. Let me show you the wheel. After 9 years sitting, no rust. Good. Okay, what we'll do next? Maybe I'll take the car out or move it forward. I need to do some rust prevention on the back. Because in the following weeks, when I have more time, I'll come and replace more stuff. So, we have here some surface rust. I'll clean the area, apply some rust treatment, then I have to wait at least 12 hours. Because the future plan is to take all the rear subframe repainted and do a proper rust treatment for all the underbody. What you actually need to do the job. Safety comes always first. You need sandpaper, flap disc or wire brush, angle grinder, rust converter or any kind of rust treatment, metal paint or primer. To get more access, I had to remove the tow bar. Now more grinding and more sanding. We have to apply the rust treatment or rust converter. You have to read the label on the rust converter. Mine said I have to wait for at least 12 hours until it finally cures. This is how it should look like the next day. And now you can start applying paint. Make sure you apply at least 2 layers. Let's apply another layer. Now you can see before and after. Looks 10 times better. This is an easy job that anyone can do. Let's fix some other issues. This was a strap for the battery, but the bolt here is missing. Now I managed to find one that fits. Here, let's try to see if it works. But first, I have to uncouple this one. Was a main line for the tow hook to power the fridge in my caravan while on the move. But now that the tow bar is out, I have to remove it until we install the tow bar back. Stay like this. Let's try the battery now. Yeah, so this strap is too short. Okay, got some longer ones. This one I think it's too long. Let's see. I think this one might be it. But I think it works for now. It's not moving. Another missing bolt would be this one from here. It's good to have a collection of old bolts. Let's look at this. If you enjoyed this video, consider pressing the subscribe button. I'll see you next time.